Starting around the 12th of May 2023, Torrential Slide is exchanging at $15.18 in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.99% in absolute most recent 60 minutes, which truly is genuinely huge. Avax for the most part has a complete market cap of $5,044,802,570 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $151,314,835. This for the most part makes Torrential Slide beautiful positioning at 16 in the digital money market, which by and large is genuinely critical. In the event that you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer and considering what essentially is the Torrential Slide cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Torrential Slide truly be certainly worth in 2023? Or so they explicitly thought. Is Torrential Slide a wise speculation or certainly worth purchasing in 2023, which truly is very critical? Will Avax cost generally outperform its untouched genuinely high in a by and large significant manner? These really are our Torrential Slide cost expectations for Avax's future in a by and large significant manner. Torrential Slide value expectation 2023 in an unpretentious way. As per the Torrential Slide figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the Avax cost by and large is supposed to cross a very normal value level of $19.93. The normal pretty least value worth of Torrential Slide toward the finish of the genuinely current year ought to especially be $19.31 in a fundamentally significant manner. Besides, Avax can truly arrive at an essentially greatest value level of $22.69 in an unobtrusive manner. Torrential Slide value gauge May 2023. In May 2023, the in every practical sense most extreme cost for Torrential Slide could by and large stretch around $16.67. Beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. Moreover, the minimum cost of a Avax in May 2023 for the most part is $14.82 with a kind of typical cost of $16.21. Torrential Slide value expectation June 2023. Torrential Slide cost certainly is supposed to generally reach between $15.92 to $17.48 in June 2023, while the kind of typical cost of a Avax for the June truly remains around $16.69. Torrential Slide value figure July 2023. The Torrential Slide cost for July 2023 may in every practical sense arrive at a genuinely least worth of $16.26, while the by and large greatest gauge cost especially is around $18.31, which essentially is very critical. The extremely normal cost for a Avax basically is really anticipated to reach $17.03 in July 2023. Torrential Slide value expectation August 2023. The cost for Torrential Slide in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $16.94 and $19.17 amazingly, while the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to be around $17.71, which sort of is very critical. Torrential Slide value estimate September 2023. The essentially normal cost of Torrential Slide could go to $18.42 toward the finish of September 2023, or so they for the most part thought. Avax could be exchanging around a very most extreme worth of $20.05 with the base expected cost of $17.64 in an unobtrusive manner. Torrential Slide value expectation October 2023. Concerning October 2023, Torrential Slide cost explicitly is conjectured to generally arrive at a kind of the least cost of $18.35, or so they generally thought. The Avax cost could really arrive at an essentially most extreme cost of $20.97 with the exceptionally normal expected cost around $18.97 in an unobtrusive manner. Torrential Slide value expectation November 2023. With respect to November 2023, Torrential Slide cost basically is estimate to truly arrive at a sort of the most reduced cost of $18.73 in a quite huge manner. The Avax cost could arrive at a kind of greatest cost of $21.92 with the really normal expected cost around $19.35. Torrential Slide value estimate December 2023. The Torrential Slide cost for December 2023 may essentially arrive at the very least worth of $19.31, while the most extreme determined cost really is around $22.69 in a fundamentally significant manner. The typical cost for a Avax for the most part is by and large anticipated to generally reach $19.93 in December 2023, which certainly is very huge. Torrential Slide truly passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Avalanche, as cost basically has shown a very decent increment of 1.27% in the sort of most recent 24 hours, which truly is genuinely critical. Torrential Slide basically is confronting an essentially difficult time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins. or so they in every practical sense thought. The AVAX certainly is down to nearly 12.67% in every way that really matters. Most recent 7 days, showing how torrential slide value expectation 2023, which most certainly is very huge. The coin for the most part is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for recent days. The coin could in a real sense have kind of solid basics, yet we don't imagine that it would a productive resource in sort of present moment, demonstrating the way that Avax could basically be exchanging around in every way that really matters. Greatest worth of $20.05 with the kind of least expected cost of $17.64, or so they thought. Inside the absolute most recent 1 month, the cost of a VAX by and large diminished by 20.331%, wiping out an incredible especially normal amount of $3.88 from its ongoing worth, which is very critical. This unexpected down certainly implies that the coin basically is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can basically be an essentially decent in a real sense purchase and open door for truly speedy speculation, which generally shows that torrential slide value conjecture May 2023. In May 2023, the greatest cost for torrential slide could stretch around $16.67 amazingly. The 90 days cost change most certainly is near 10.04%, and the cost truly coursed from a sort of least lovely typical cost of $16.83 to genuinely greatest pretty normal cost of $17.75 in the exact beyond 90 days, which truly shows that besides AVAX can fundamentally arrive at a very greatest value level of $22.69. In very most recent 4 months, torrential slide truly has shown a developing pattern in an unpretentious manner. Hence, we certainly believe that comparative pieces of the market fundamentally were very famous at that period, or so they in every practical sense thought, as indicated by the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of torrential slide explicitly is expanded from 4 months, which truly is very huge. The exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cost, or so they truly thought. The coin in a real sense is up by 28.28%, with the extremely greatest pretty typical cost of the coin essentially was around $11.85 and the base especially normal cost of especially with around $11.45 in beyond 4 months in an exceptionally enormous way. Torrential slide value estimate 2023 FAQs. What will in a real sense be torrential slide worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? The AVAX cost is estimated to arrive at a truly greatest degree of $22.69 with genuinely least cost of $19.31 toward the finish of 2023, which truly is very critical. Torrential slides generally have a future in an unobtrusive manner. As far as value, torrential slide especially has a remarkable genuinely potential to in every way that really matters arrive at new levels. Genuinely further appearance how torrential slide value forecast 2023 in a truly significant way. That especially is conjecture that a VAX will increment in esteem, which by and large is very huge, as indicated by especially unambiguous specialists and business examiners. Torrential slide can truly raise a ruckus around town. The great